Alright, here you are. You just came in my room yourself, Shelby. Alright. See these? There's some hackers. This is one. See, this is one I'm gonna have to delete some of my videos. Cause I keep having low storage. Okay, Shelby, don't start, alright? Alright, don't start. Hey, quit doing that. Okay, don't start. Alright? Alright, don't start. It doesn't even hurt that bad. Shelby, I don't want you to be biting me like that. And can you stop doing it? Okay? You need to stop doing it. If you don't stop biting me and scratching me, that will hurt more bad and it will be bleeding. And then I will be in the closet for a long time. What is this? Oh wait, what's this? I think I'll try that. I know you heard that, Shelby. Shelby, do you want to get the cracker or no? Quit doing it. What are you doing, Shelby? Hey, Shelby, why are you doing that? Why you keep making different noises? It's so funny. It's so funny to me you keep making different noises. I know you make different noises. You making different noises? You making different noises? Are you making different noises? Alright, don't bark. Don't bark. Don't bark. Don't bark. Don't bark. I don't want you to bark. Are you trying to get out? I don't want to be in trouble. You thought I was going to be in trouble? No, I don't want to be in trouble. I don't want to be in trouble at all. Shelby, I don't want to be in trouble, okay? Alright, you don't have to be loud. And, like, why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep doing this? Oh, wait, did you get it already? Oh, you did. Okay. Bye, Shelby.